They live with her mom, they're drowning in debt. They just bought a gaming PC, and they want a $30,000 minivan. But what no one is saying is that their child's future is the price. This isn't a story about budgeting, it's a psychological horror about delusion, denial, and debt. Meet Valentina and Giulio, 25 and 23, married, one toddler. One income, one house, shared with mom, brother, and broken dreams. They're not just behind, they're lost. Giulio makes $25 an hour as a plumber. But they live in Palm Beach, one of Florida's most expensive cities. Valentina, she's a stay-at-home mom and a part-time crochet artist. Income? $1,200 every 6 months. She spends hundreds monthly on yarn to make $100 in sales. Their child sleeps under the roof of grandma because mom and dad have failed to build one of their own. They were evicted from a church-owned home, spent their own money fixing it, then got kicked out. Moved into a shared home with her mother and her autistic brother, 3 adults. 1 kid, 0 plans. Giulio says, "It works for us," but he's not the one in control. He has no financial spine. He can't say no to her spending. He can't say no to gaming. And he definitely can't say no to a second car loan. This isn't just a bad budget, it's a bad belief system. Valentina says she manages the finances, but there's no plan. Just hope and more Amazon purchases. She wants a Kia Carnival. $30,000, says their current SUV doesn't fit her crochet boxes. He wants a cheaper sedan, says she's the only one who crashed the last car. What they both ignore, they're still in debt. They have no emergency fund, no retirement, no savings for their son. This isn't about transportation. It's about ego, control, avoidance. Giulio says he's trying, but he spent their tax return on a $1,500 gaming PC. Valentina says she's contributing, but her business is losing money every single month. They cry. They fight, but they don't change. Every decision is impulsive. Every dollar is misused, and the child, he's growing up in a house where no one takes responsibility. They owe thousands on high interest cards. They eat out every day, $20 lunches, $1 for 100 Amazon carts filled with decorations and crochet eyes. They don't cook, they don't save. They don't even know how much they've spent. When asked for their financial score, they answered in unison, 0. They know they're failing, but they laugh, they shrug, they don't act. They're raising a child in chaos and calling it normal. Your child isn't just watching, he's learning. Every dollar wasted is a lesson taught. Ignore the future, live for the now, and let others clean up your mess. Valentina says once her son's in preschool, she start working. Giulio says he'll try harder. But time doesn't care about excuses, and their son won't wait. If they don't change, their child will grow up broke, bitter, and burdened. Not because of bad luck, but because his parents chose their comfort over his future. Being poor isn't a crime, but staying poor while spending like you're rich is neglect. Want to escape your own financial nightmare? Subscribe and wake up. Like, comment, and subscribe, because someone you love might be making the same mistakes.